Okay.
Hey, I'm Will Fox with Block Space Media. I'm joined by Tyler Page of Cipher Mining. How you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Hey, Will, how's it going?
So, Cipher, y'all are ripping right now. You just signed a great deal with FluidStack, backstopped by Google. Tell me a little bit about that deal.
I mean, look, it's the sort of foundation for our franchise. It's our first HPC deal. It's with the best partners in the world in FluidStack and Google. I mean, it's exciting for us because we have a big portfolio of sites after that. We feel pretty credentialed working with, basically the greatest American technology company of all time.
How does Bitcoin mining fit into the future for what you guys are doing with FluidStack?
Well, I mean, we're running 23.6 exahash per second of Bitcoin mining right now. So, first of all, it's providing a lot of capital for our business to go chase these deals in the first place. I think long term, it's a really nice complementary asset to HPC. Fair to say right now, if you can find long-term deals with HPC tenants, that's a very valuable thing to have as a company. But as the space evolves, the ability to use Bitcoin mining as a complementary asset with HPC, we think that's where the business evolves over time.
How is Wall Street taking a look at some of these converts and other financial instruments people are using for the AI HPC infrastructure scene?
I mean, in our case, look, I think the convert market is open. We did a great deal. We actually closed the largest digital infrastructure convertible ever done a couple weeks ago, so that was nice. We upsized it, that's why it got so big, but that's because it was 7 times oversubscribed, roughly. So great terms, no interest. When you have access to that kind of capital, we raised $1.3 billion in that deal. We both have that to pay to build the data center for FluidStack and Google, but also go play offense. I mean, we've got a great origination team. We've originated 11 sites. I hope we'll be adding more sites to that. We now have lots of dry powder. And also, we hopefully will have other leases to announce, and now we can support the equity in those deals.
Last question for you. Tell me a little bit about the other sites you guys are developing in terms of megawatts under capacity and where those are in the power pipeline or development stage.
Sure. So, I mean, we still have 56 megawatts available at the Barber Lake site where we're doing the deal with FluidStack and Google that are available now. We also have 150 megawatts we're showing at Black Pearl. And I'll just say, for those that don't know, that's a 300 megawatt data center. We've built the first 150 for Bitcoin mining. It's wonderful, throws off a lot of Bitcoin every day, but it's fair to say that if you are capable of signing a lease on 150 megawatts, you're generally capable of signing a lease on 300 megawatts and like to ask the question. So we're having lots of interesting discussions around that. Then we have another 100 megawatt site energizing next year at Stingray, and a whole pipeline of gigawatts behind that. So it's exciting days these days.
Awesome. Cool. Yeah. Thanks so much, man.
Appreciate it.